Hello, welcome to part 3 of our video series, What to Look For When Touring a Home. My name is Russell Burlakoff, and I am a realtor here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada with a New Home Connection and Realty ONE Group. If you find this video series helpful, please take a second to mark it with a like, and if you'd subscribe to our channel, we'd be very appreciative. Today we're going to be talking about the primary suite and primary bath. That's going to be the focus of our discussion. Some of the things that I always look at when touring a home is the sightlines and whether you can see directly into the bedrooms. And I feel that the primary suite in particular, or master bedroom as it's referred to in the past, that should never have sightlines directly into it.
If you've ever been in a home where you can see into the primary suite from the living room or from a loft, you recognize that it probably doesn't feel great, like the design doesn't feel right. I've stepped out of the home that we've been walking through to show you an example of a home in which the primary suite is wide open to view from the family room and from the kitchen. You can very easily see whether the bed's made or if there are clothes on the floor, if it's clean or a mess. This is just not a strong design. The next shot I'm going to show you is on a two-story home where you can see directly in as you're coming up the staircase and from the loft.
This home that we're touring is a great example of a well-designed floor plan. We're in the great room or family room and looking at the entryway to the primary suite, and you can see that there are no sight lines into it. And the way the architect designed this one is by having a little alcove or hallway right here that leads into the primary suite. And then you have to actually jog left out of this secondary hallway before having any view of the primary suite at all. The most important thing to look at when viewing a primary suite is determining if it's going to fit your vision for the bedroom. Is it going to fit your furniture, number one? This bedroom is showing a king-size bed, 2 oversized nightstands. It's got a couple of chairs here in front of the bed. Along the TV wall here, we've got a dresser. You've got a large wall which has a picture and a plant in the corner that could easily have another piece of furniture like an armoire. And where the plant is, this space is actually large enough that you could put another piece of furniture in here, like a second dresser, and it would fit that space nicely. Now, if your vision was to also have this be your getaway space, like let's say this was going to be your exercise room or a reading room in addition to being the bedroom, well, then you're probably going to want something a little bit larger than this to accommodate the exercise equipment or a bookcase or a lamp and chair for reading. Those are things that you want to take into consideration. Having light coming in from 2 walls is important, especially in the primary suite and the dining room, because these are the rooms where our deepest and most impactful conversations take place. And psychologists have learned that when one party is in light and the other party is in shadow, the person in light is more believed and trusted, where the person in shadow is less believed, less trusted. And so this leads to less harmony, less happiness within the home. So having that second wall with windows makes a huge difference in how happy and harmonious your home can be. Closets come in all shapes and sizes, and they're in all different locations within the primary suite. In this case, it's off of the primary bath, but in some you'll have them in the bedroom itself, or in others you might find it in the hallway leading into the bedroom. There could be the wardrobe style closets, which have the bypass sliding doors. They can be a walk-in closet like we're seeing here. Some will have closet systems. Others will just have a hanging rail. This home, of course, you can see has the closet system. If this is something that you would like to have, it is something that can be added aftermarket, either professionally or on a do-it-yourself basis. There are kits that are available online or from a lot of the big box hardware stores. The important thing to look at again is how many hanging rails does it have? If there's only one rail running, along the side of the closet, keep in mind that if you need more space, you could raise that bar up a little bit and then add a second rail, which again is something that's very, very simple and easy to do, or you could have it done professionally. So anyway, that takes care of the primary bedroom portion of the video. Next up, we're going to be looking at the overall layout of the home. So thank you for watching. Thank you again for investing the time to watch this video. I hope it's answered a lot of questions for you. My next video will go over the overall layout of the home and some things to look at there. In the meantime, if you are looking for property here in Las Vegas, please keep me in mind. My name is Russell Burlakoff, and I'm with Realty ONE Group. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.